Good morning, everybody. I hope you're doing okay on this Friday morning. I'm going to explain your assignment for today and how you'll be recording your work on creating your educational game. So, as you're watching the video is the first thing you need to do, okay? On Wednesday, we all decided, after I checked in with you about the resources that you have available at your house, we decided that you guys would start working on at least parts of your design today, okay? So things we discussed on Wednesday. It's okay if you do things differently than you plan to because of your access to limited resources. So it's okay to work on different things first or second. It's okay to change the order you do things. It's okay to use different materials. We can't control what we have access to, so it's okay to do that. Don't worry about it. Do not make changes to your original design plan. Just keep a record of the changes that you do make, okay? And you do need to be sure that you're documenting all of your photos to show your creative process. Each of you should work on the things that you can accomplish with the materials you have in your house. We decided that, if you had to change different materials, so say, for example, you said you were going to use cardboard, but you don't have cardboard in your house, if you need to change that to paper, or you need to change that to parts of a cereal box and everything, that's okay. It's okay to change materials. You just have to make sure that you are working on your project. So today, like I said, you're going to just start working on creating part of your educational game. And you need to submit evidence of the work that you do using this link here. So what you're going to do is you're going to tell me, I worked on making the what part of your educational game today. So you're going to tell me that. All right? You're going to submit 2 to 3 photos that show your progress working on this. So just show me 2 or 3 photos of maybe, so for example, you're working on making your cards, right? Maybe the first part is you cutting out paper in the shape of your cards. Maybe the second part is you coloring them. Maybe the second part is you double layering them with another piece of paper to make them thicker, or whatever it is that you need to do to complete them, okay? You just need to show me 2 or 3 photos that are showing the progress of your work working on the thing you decided to work on today. After that, you're going to say what changes that you made to your original plan to finish these things. So did you have to use a different material? Did you have to do things in a different order? So maybe did you say you were going to start with your game board, but then you had to start making your cards first today? So just let me know what things you changed, and that's it. Okay, so you're going to tell me which part of your educational game you're working on, give me 2 or 3 pictures that show you working on that, and then tell me the things that you had to change to finish that thing today, okay? So you should remember that you also need to add your progress photos to your design journal. If you guys remember, at the beginning of this unit, right, you had to create your own template for Criterion C, right? It's right down here. Make sure that you are adding these process photos to this column over here. So even, for example, if you had to start with your 3rd task, just put that picture down here. Just show the pictures of you working on the thing that you plan to make. Even if your design you're making now is different from your plan, it's okay. Just make sure that you are keeping track of your stuff in your design journal and to show me today. All right? If you have any questions, you can email me or comment on this post. I look forward to seeing your guys' work and how you're creatively solving all those problems. Good luck, and I will talk to you on Monday. Bye, guys.